In this lesson, we'll be discussing the total energy. Total energy we denote with the letter E. It is an extensive property, meaning that it is dependent on the mass of the system. When we're talking about total energy, we're talking about the system's capability to do work. So how much energy it has in there, how much work it can be done by that system. And we define total energy to be the sum of internal energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy. This is equation 1.21 in your text. Now internal energy we denote with the letter U. Internal energy is microscopic energy. It's the rotation, translational, and vibrational energy exerted by the molecules. So you can't really see it, but it's internal to the molecules of the system. So it's everything going on inside. Kinetic energy is the bulk motion of the entire system. So it's when the whole system is moving. You can think of if you have a football, you throw the football across the room, it has kinetic energy as it's moving across the room. The equation we use in general for kinetic energy is going to be 1/2 the mass times the velocity squared. The last category of energy that we'll talk about is potential energy. And when we're talking about potential energy in this course, we talk about gravitational potential energy, and that's due to the elevation of the system and elevation above whatever ground surface you're using as your datum. It's due to the gravity pulling things to the center of the Earth. And we define it as being equal to the mass times the acceleration due to gravity times the height above whatever datum you set. Now internal energy is a category of thermal energy because it deals with the change in heat of the system, the heat capability of that system. Whereas kinetic and potential energy are what we call mechanical energies because they deal with the ability for the system to move.